I came here with a very open expectation, and I think for me the kickoff with the Thought Smiths was amazing because it really got us thinking.
I loved how they started off with almost like an introspection, seeing exactly where you are and how your organization is and where it currently is and where you'd like to see it in a year's time, to learning about everything that CTU has to offer, which is actually quite amazing. I'm very passionate about education and continuous learning, so it just sits with me perfectly.
I'm walking away so inspired today. Emma has demystified the WSP and how easy it can be to put together learnerships and to put together skills training plans, and it's just amazing that we can do it so easily, and the impact that we leave behind is so big.
I think the Copilot and the AI was an amazing way to end.
AI! I'm truly so freaking excited about literally going back to the office. I've seen this Copilot thing. What is it? It's on our systems, and I am going to try it out 100%.
Professionally put together, really a good vibe in the room, and just a wonderful learning and sharing experience. So thank you very much for the opportunity. It was really amazing.
I loved the session. It was really inspiring.
And I'm looking forward to many more.